So what exactly is white label software plus AI, and why is it one of the fastest growing, most profitable and innovative online business models for any beginner or aspiring entrepreneur to start in the year of 2025 and more than likely for years and years to come? Well, obviously in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what white label software plus AI is, how literally anybody watching this can actually start their very own software platform online, start reselling it and making money online with it in just the next couple of weeks to even days sometimes. So this most definitely is a business model that can actually give you a shot at changing your financial trajectory for the rest of your life. And you do not have to take it just from me. Some of the most popular and trusted names on social media, such as guys like Adam Ehart, even Iman Gadzhi, have been on record promoting this exact business model and promoting the company High Level that I talk about in most of my videos. So the purpose of this video and what I'm going to be showing you is to give you all of the information you need to actually see if this is something that you want to start, a business model that you can actually see yourself making money with, and how it can truly turn you into a tech and AI entrepreneur in just short of the next couple of weeks. So with that being said, my name is Kevin. I've been doing this for years. I believe I'm one of the best people in the entire world at teaching this business model. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Feel free to speed up or slow down this video as need be. So now, first off, the only 3 steps you'll need to actually go from knowing nothing about this business model to actually knowing exactly how to make money with it are these 3 steps that I'll be covering in this video. Step 1, you need to know what exactly is white label software plus AI. Of course, I understand all of the objections you may have in your head right now, such as how much is this going to cost me? Do I have to really be any bit tech savvy? I've never played in that space before. I have no idea what this is. Trust me, I'm going to be explaining everything very, very clearly in this video. Now, step 2, what exactly are you selling with white label software plus AI? If you know anything about business and entrepreneurship, you know that when you solve a problem, you have a business. So I'm going to be showing you what value, what software features you can actually resell online, and how they can actually benefit any of the over 35 million small or local business owners in the US. And just to simplify that a bit more, basically what your website is going to be around. You're going to own your very own software platform, your very own solution, but in any website, the first couple of words you see are typically the solution that business actually solves. And that's exactly what you will have to have when you actually do go and start this business model. And then lastly, step 3, how to sell it and who to sell it to. I'm going to be showing you some of the proven outreach methods, the proven customer acquisition systems that not only myself, but tens and thousands of other successful entrepreneurs who have started this business actually have taken to go and bring strangers to paying customers every single month. And then after that, you will know exactly if this is something that you want to start and if you want to go and start taking the actionable steps that are going to equate to you making money. Now, quickly, right before I dive into it, just the reasons as to why you should start this business model. For one, this is how you can actually start an online business as a solo entrepreneur in a $1 trillion industry. The industry of software, especially with all of the AI softwares coming out right now, the opportunity to make money in this space makes absolutely no sense. It's in the hundreds of billions that literally anybody could capture and get their piece of the pie that's out for the taking. Now, also, you don't have to be any bit tech savvy whatsoever to actually play in this space, as I've mentioned before. And this will actually be extremely low cost. You can actually start making money before you even spend $100, but this is a very, very reasonable price to start an entire software company, an entire software business with just a phone and a laptop. And also, I'm assuming that a good majority of people watching this want to find ways to replace their 9-to-5 income, find a route to truly start making money strictly online, and actually have a business that's going to be paying you sustainable income for an extended period of time, which leads me on to probably the best part about this entire business model with white label software and why most people love it and want to start it is because this is one of the best ways to start building true, nearly automated subscription-based income. Yes, reselling software online falls in a category called SaaS. You may or may not have heard of it before. It stands for software as a service. People will be paying you every single month, numbers like $97, $297, $497, even $897, just to simply log in and have access to your software that you didn't spend any time or money actually creating yourself. So that can actually allow you to finally start separating your time for money and stop exchanging your time for money and truly live, just if you want to be honest, one of the best lives you can really live, not having to work 8 to 10 hours a day, just a couple of hours out of the day, and truly making money every single month. And if you don't make money one month, if you choose not to work at all for a month, you're still going to be making 1, 5, 10,000, 10,000, whatever you're at in MRR for that time period. So now let's dive into the thick of it. So first off, what exactly is software? I'm sure you're familiar with the term, but what exactly does that mean? So software is literally just any application that you can access via Wi-Fi. So every single app on your phone, every single website you click on, anything that is created through code, basically anything in a computer that you can click on is essentially all just software. Some of the most popular examples of this are platforms like Shopify, one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world, Zoom, I'm sure you've heard of Zoom, to host and schedule meetings with, and even AI softwares like ChatGPT that has came out. All they did was pay software engineers to actually go and create these platforms out for them. And then once it was created one time, they just kept getting paid over and over again for the users that they actually got to go to their website and to sign up for their software. So that is why it was always somewhat difficult for regular, average, everyday people like me and you to actually play in this space, because it was costly to actually start. You had to have more skills, more knowledge. But now, due to something called white label software, that gap has been completely bridged. Anybody can start selling valuable software products, features, tools, and solutions online to business owners and consumers without having to go through any of that stuff that those other CEOs had to go through. And of course, I'm going to show you exactly how. So what exactly is white label software? This is where you can take unbranded pre-built software products or AI software products, features, tools, and solutions that are already 100% created and coded for you, and then upload your very own business name, logo, branding, URL on it, and then resell it as your very own software for 100% of the profits. And I know that if it's your first time hearing something like that, it sounds a bit crazy, but if you've ever heard of probably the most popular online business model ever called dropshipping, it works very similar. Dropshipping, although it's highly saturated now, is where you could go and take physical products that were already created for you and then go to platforms, design platforms like Canva, and then slap your very own business name and logo on it, and then resell those products online without having to actually create those products yourselves. Well, as you can see here, you can actually do the exact same thing with software. This is a software platform that's already 100% created and coded. You see all of the tabs to the left over here, but if I go and look at this one, you see business name change, colors change, branding dashboard, everything else in between. And that is essentially what white label software is. But now on to the next question. What exactly are you selling? What software and AI features and solutions can I actually sell? What does that process looks like, and everything else in between? Well, that is where the company that I talk about in pretty much all of my videos comes into play, known as High Level. So High Level is one of the fastest growing software companies in the entire world. They are located in Dallas, Texas. This company is worth over $1 billion at this point in time, and they are growing rapidly. And the reason why is because they have a software platform with over 50 simple but valuable marketing and AI software features, tools, and solutions that are all designed to help business owners grow their business online. But the thing is, High Level does not sell these features for themselves. Their entire business model is to allow people like me and you to actually go and white label their software and then resell any of their profitable features as your very own and keep 100% of the profits. All you have to do is pay High Level as little as like $97 a month, and then you will be able to access everything in there, white label their software, rebrand it, change the URL, and be able to start reselling software online. So what can High Level software actually do? What are some of the software features and tools you can actually sell, and what value do they bring into the business world that you can actually get paid for? So High Level software and AI features are all designed to help local business owners do digital marketing online and automate processes for them. Digital marketing is something that can benefit literally any single business in the entire world, no matter what industry or niche. Doesn't matter whether it's a roofing company, massage parlor, a dog care service business, whatever the case may be. Think about any single business you see walking down the street. When it comes to Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and all of these social media platforms, there is a ton of value that can be added when it comes to actually leveraging these platforms in relation to digital marketing software and AI software. So these features and tools can help them rank higher in Google Maps, increase website traffic, increase paid advertisement conversion rates, and so much more. And there's a lot of money to be made in helping business owners get found and rank higher in Google's local search engine. When people type in their industry near them, it's a lot of money in increasing website traffic and converting more of the website / paid advertisement traffic that businesses are actually spending money on every single day. There are simple digital marketing and AI software features and solutions that can help business owners instantly almost become more profitable in between the lines of the value that some of these software features actually brings into their business. Now, I am going to quickly take you into high level software, but I can't show you all of the features inside of this video. Of course, that's a bit outside of the scope, but just so that you can get a somewhat feel right here, as you can see, these are some of high level's AI solutions. So voice AI, this is how AI can actually answer phone calls for businesses, answer questions, and actually schedule appointments for businesses completely on autopilot. Conversation AI, sending off automatic text messages and promotional campaigns for businesses to all of their previous customers to drive more revenue. Content AI, they have software features and AI tools to help business owners create content using AI. Very valuable, a lot of money to be made. Funnel and websites, reviews, that's helping business owners get more Google reviews and build out paid advertisement pages using AI. And honestly, that just scratches the surface. You see these QR codes over here. These are very valuable. You can start an entire business around this simple feature alone. As time goes on and you get a bit more familiar with high level, then you'll realize all of the routes you can actually take to go and get a website and start an entire software platform around. So this right here is high level software. This platform would have cost you literally over $1 million in software engineering and coding to actually go and create yourself. But this is actually your software that you're looking at. You just don't know it yet. So if you actually go to this white label tab right here, you can actually upload your very own business name right here. You can change the colors of the dashboard, change the tabs on there, everything else in between. Just the click of a couple of buttons. Won't take you any more than 5 to 10 minutes. And you can even change the URL to www.yoursoftware.com instead of www.highlevel.com. But what can your software actually do? How is it going to benefit these businesses from a digital marketing standpoint? Well, for one, through high level software, you'll be able to integrate every single last one of your social media pages. I'm talking about Google, Facebook, Instagram, Shopify, TikTok, LinkedIn, the list goes on and on. You can even integrate a business's paid advertisements with their Facebook, forms, fields mapping, TikTok, LinkedIn as well. So already off bat, that should give you a lot more trust just because you have partnerships with these platforms. High level does, but this is your software. This is your custom software when you actually start selling it online. So all it takes is one click of a button. These platforms will be integrated, and then you can go and add so much value to these businesses with all of the tabs inside of high level software and all of those features that I had showed you a bit earlier in this video. You see right here a conversations tab. So business owners can get all of their conversations in one inbox and respond to all of their customers and leads in one universal inbox as well. They can actually have their calendars hosted on here, send off and host meetings, webinars, etc. They can also have all of their contacts in this software as well, so they can reach out to all of their customers and have tons of tracking from a CRM, customer relationship management system type of database and deal as well. And also integrate their payment processors and collect payments from your software, send off payment links to all of their customers as well. And there's also a marketing tab. So as you can see, connect all of your social media pages, even YouTube, and then you'll be able to add so much value. You can also integrate AI in here to help them go and build more traffic, gain more revenue from these pages, and ultimately grow their business in some very, very cool ways that are simple, easy to set up, but worth a lot of money. And you got this automation tab right here. I know this looks a bit crazy and scary, but this is something that you can actually learn in a day, and it can benefit you for the rest of your life. You can have automations like this firing off for businesses in your software, and they will be paying you every single month just to have these simple systems that add so much value, that actually help increase website traffic, increase paid ad traffic, and just traffic to a brick and mortar business overall, that once set up one time, you'll be getting paid for basically years without even talking to these people whatsoever. Business owners and entrepreneurs can also build websites and funnel pages using AI as well inside of high level software. But again, this will be your software because you can white label it in just 10 to 15 minutes and it will be all yours. The list goes on and on. They can help business owners get more Google reviews, again, rank higher in the local search engine, and plenty of more ways. That just scratches the surface, but this is high level software. This is where if you're spending a lot of time in, this can generate you money, and plenty of entrepreneurs have adapted, learned this software, learned the value it brings, and started making a crazy amount of money from it. And that can most definitely be you if you go and decide to partake in this business opportunity. Finally, step 3, how do you actually go about getting paid, and how do people actually start making money with this business model? Well, there are proven outreach methods, proven ways that people like myself and all of the other high level entrepreneurs have went and made life-changing money with this business model. And the thing is, it's not just us. These are proven outreach methods in the business world overall. whether it is a corporate office building that you see walking down the street or local family owned businesses that are around your area right now. So once you actually know what type of features you want to resell and what type of solutions you can actually bring, there's routes that you can take that's going to allow you to get a higher upfront cost, such as $1, $2, $3, $4, $5,000 just for setup costs and selling website templates. And there's also going to be routes you can take to help you get more in monthly recurring subscription based income faster. But either way, there is a route for everybody, depending upon whether you want to talk to people or maybe you don't want to even show your face and you want to make money. You can definitely do that with this business model. And you're going to be leveraging things like AI lead generation, AI automated text and email campaigns. These are things that I go in depth about. I go through every single last one and show you how to execute in my 100% free course with hours and hours of pure walkthroughs, tutorials, step-by-steps, Facebook/LinkedIn groups, gold mine in the business world that very few people know about, paid advertisements, of course, cold calling, social media DMs, content creation, and even mobile apps. So I didn't show you this, but you actually will own not only your very own software platform, but your very own white label mobile app in the Apple App Store. You can actually have that and people can log in and access your software, type in their username and password the same way all of these other companies do. You actually have the ability to do that as soon as you create an account with High Level. And that's going to be another great way to send traffic to your business and get users on your software paying you month in and month out. So honestly, that's all I got for you in this video. That should be all the knowledge you need to know whether this is for you or not, to know if this is something that you believe you can make money with, because it's one of those things that not only myself, but all of the, people in the High Level community say, once you see this business model, once we all saw this for the first time, we knew it was something different. We knew this was something that just people didn't know about, that was going to be a gold mine for years to come. And before I wrap up and tell you the next steps you can actually take, just so you know, the reason why I'm doing all this stuff for free, why I have a 100% free course, is because High Level also has an affiliate program in which all you have to do is refer people to High Level and you can start getting paid monthly recurring income, lifetime commissions for the people that you actually bring to High Level. So I'm very transparent about what I do because I actually want to help people make money. The more money you make, that's obviously going to benefit me as well. So looking into starting this business model is a great option, but also when you actually dive into it, the affiliate program is something that can truly, I hate to use this word, but probably make you rich in a short period of time. Guys have scaled their affiliate link and, just created content like I'm doing right now and got hundreds of people to actually sign up for High Level. And they had 10K, 20K, 100K, 200K, some crazy numbers going into their bank account every single month while only having to work a couple of hours out of the day, even month, if you want to be honest. So that is why there's so much upside into actually diving into this. If you do want to start and you want to get access to High Level completely for free, then you use my link. All you have to do is sign into this 100% free course. The videos inside of it are not BS. They are extremely valuable and they're going to give you every single actionable step you need to take, all of the information you need to go from knowing nothing to actually executing and making money with this business model, scaling it past 5 figures in monthly recurring income as fast as humanly possible. And you'll also have access to me. I've had thousands of people already sign into this free course and I am very hands-on. I'll work with you one-on-one. I'll hop on Zoom calls with you whenever you want to. I'm about to hop on a Zoom call with a student right now after this actually, because it is my full-time job to help you become successful with this. So most definitely, if this sounds interesting to you, go ahead and sign up for High Level right now. And then more than likely, I'll be connecting with you and we can definitely go ahead and get the ball rolling on this. So that's all I got for you in this video. Thanks for watching, but hopefully I'll see you in the next one.